Do I have to move all the furniture from my carpet cleaning? Generally speaking, it's helpful if the furniture is moved before a carpet cleaning. It lets your chosen carpet cleaning company see the areas they need to clean more easily. It can also help speed up the carpet cleaning process. At OxiFresh, we will help move light furniture, and we can easily clean around larger, heavier pieces. Our oxygen-powered system will clean deep in your home, and because it's low moisture, it will dry in about 1 hour. So while other carpet cleaners will saturate your floors in excess water that leaves them soaking all day, we need 95% less water. That also means you'll be able to move your furniture back much faster. Our quick drying carpet cleaning services deliver world-class results affordably and with the least possible disruption to your day and your home. So book your appointment today at 1-877-OxyFresh. That's 1-877-OXI-FRESH, or schedule online at www.oxyfresh.com.